Tired of being stuck at your desk? This VIVO keyboard tray promises to transform your workspace into a dynamic, sit-stand haven, but can it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out. The Mount-KB35A is designed to be the perfect companion for your existing wall-mounted monitor, creating what VIVO calls a floating workstation. And honestly, that's a pretty accurate description. This 23.6-inch wide tray extends a generous 35.5 inches from the wall, giving you ample space for your keyboard and mouse, and it feels incredibly stable. What really impressed me is the pneumatic spring lift. Adjusting the height is so smooth and effortless. You can go from sitting to standing in seconds with just a gentle push or pull. It offers a full 14.5 inches of vertical adjustment, which is plenty for most users to find their ideal ergonomic height. Beyond just height, the comfort factor is a big deal here. The typing platform itself can tilt backward to achieve that sought-after neutral writing position, which is a lifesaver for long typing sessions. With a tilt range from a positive 85 degrees all the way down to a negative 90 degrees, and a full 360-degree swivel, you have so much flexibility to dial in the perfect angle for your wrists and arms. It really does make a difference in reducing strain. Installation was surprisingly straightforward. All the necessary hardware for both wood stud and concrete wall mounting is included, along with clear instructions. It feels robust and capable, supporting up to 17.6 pounds without any issues. The sturdy steel construction gives you confidence that this is a product built to last, and VIVO backs it up with a 3-year warranty, which is always a good sign. Overall, the VIVO Mount-KB35A is a fantastic addition for anyone looking to enhance their ergonomic setup and embrace the benefits of a sit-stand workflow. It's well-built, incredibly adjustable, and makes transitioning between sitting and standing a breeze. If you're looking to create a more dynamic and comfortable workspace, this keyboard tray is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.